Hello, lovely humans. Happy Friday. It is great to virtually see you all before I virtually see you all on Zoom. Um, Today's hat of choice is a Chance the Rapper hat. You might have seen me wear it at school for hat day or something. Um, I love this hat. It's kind of my favorite hat. My brother got it for me, I think, for my birthday at some point. And for those of you that are curious, because I know some of you always are, this is from Chance himself, what it means to him. He says he rationalized it to himself that the three stands for the third mixtape, the Holy Trinity, and the three-pronged family of myself, my daughter, and my girl. So I like it because, you know, it's just cool and hip, but it also fits really well on my head. Okay, enough about my hat, but real quick, notice the ad here. Ah, this is the time we're in, y'all, where we need protective caps on our baseball caps. Okay, week 3 of Friday. I'm gonna walk through a lot, so stick with me. Super important stuff. Please, please, please stick with me. First things first, social emotional check-in. That has changed just a bit because in my video yesterday, I announced that we would be going back into Unit 3 for our curriculum. So because I already have a structure in place, I will not be kind of asking for activities. I still welcome your ideas, but from here on out, I'm going to be going through Unit 3 and then what I can of Unit 4. A lot of what we had remaining was group work, so I'll just work around that. So do the SEO. Let me know how you're feeling. Um, then I want you to wrap up the article of the week. Normally we would have done a discussion, but because we're doing our Zoom, I wanted to forego that. So I have asked you to review Logos, Ethos, and Pathos. So as a reminder, this was your article of the week. The doctor who helped defeat smallpox explains what's coming. So what I'm going to be asking you to do will appear under article of the week. It's going to be a video curation project. It looks like a lot, but it's very simple. But basically what I want you to do is choose one of the 3 appeals, Logos, Ethos, or Pathos, and choose a video on the topic of coronavirus or something that was talked about in the article, and find a video that, in reference to that, uses one of those 3 appeals really well. I'm slightly annoyed because YouTube isn't cooperating with me, but I have tried to approve the channels you see here, New York Times, Washington Post, down to PBS and Teen Kids News. I've tried to approve those so that you should have access to those websites and those videos, but in the event that you don't, please let me know so that I can get a sense, and then I might edit the assignment so that you can choose an image or maybe something like a link or an article or something. I don't know. But for now, try that. You're going to see 2 things. You're going to see my example and you're going to see your own slides that you can edit and copy. So it's pretty simple. It will give you the directions at the beginning, and then you're just going to be practicing kind of a multitude of skills, embedding a YouTube video, explaining really the connection between the article, the video, and one of the 3 appeals. So the directions are here. You're given a slide. You put your embedded video over here. You put an explanation of why it's the best example. So for this one, I chose Ethos. It's actually a really interesting video. You should watch it. But that's it. That's all I want you to do. And then just attach it to the assignment. So you'll see this is yours that you'll get attached to the assignment, and you're good to go. Lastly, we will have a Kahoot on Zoom. This is the first time I've ever done it, but a lot of other teachers have done it, and they've said it works pretty well. So that will go live at noon. I want to give you a heads up that it will only go until 12:45, partly because I know we could all sit and talk to each other forever, but also because I have to go pick up my groceries at 1 o'clock. So it's partly selfish, but also partly not, because I don't want to overwhelm everybody. So that'll happen at noon. The information related to this can be found on Google Classroom. At the very top, you have the information for the Zoom meeting. You have the link, the ID, and the password. It's lit this time. Um, so join that, and you'll be put in a waiting room until I start the meeting. And then if you want to review apostrophes, this is my final reminder that you can do that down here. And I decided for the fun Kahoot, we're gonna do an animal related one because who doesn't love animals? Okay, so that's the kind of scope of the day, but I want to point out a few things. I'm in the process of compiling some more relaxing content for you guys, and I found a live cam of jellyfish at the Monterey Bay Aquarium in California. It's literally just a video of jellyfish live. I know it speaks for itself, but it's really calming. So if you want to spend your weekend watching a live stream of jellyfish, I mean, I think that's a great use of your time. So it's loading really slowly, but it's there for you. You know what? This is important. I'm gonna wait. Maybe a lot of people are just on it. Okay. Oh. Uh, I love my internet. Oh, look at my mouse. It's like glitching. Okay, you know what? Nope, I committed too much time to it. You can see it for yourself. So that's one item. And then lastly, and most importantly, spring break. I decided, based on your overwhelming response, to not officially provide, well, I'm going to backtrack on that. I'm not going to make you feel guilty if you don't do something. How about that? You're not required to. I'm not required to. If you don't want to get on here, don't get on here, but I have compiled a lot of options for you. Some of you said you wanted to do a Quizlet for fun. I leave that up to you and your classmates. You could do a Quizlet game together. You could create a Quizlet account and create a live game. But you'll see I've given you the links. There's one that's stuck, but I've given you the links on a document that you can see. Um, there's also this place called Gimkit where you can play games, and it's kind of similar to Kahoot. And then I've compiled a list of resources based on what we've already learned so far this year, going back to Unit 1 with the Hero's Journey, Unit 2 Dystopia, and Unit 3 Holocaust. And I've also, you probably saw in No Red Ink, I also put together a ton of No Red Ink related review opportunities on things we've learned, like commas and parts of speech and how do you write a narrative, just to keep your skills sharp. And then lastly, and most importantly, I'm so excited, J.K. Rowling has given teachers the option or the freedom to read her Harry Potter series aloud via video recording to teachers. And that's a big deal because it's copyrighted material and it can't be done because it's illegal to do so, but she has granted that for teachers. So you know me, I love Harry Potter, and I know some of you love Harry Potter. I'm going to be doing a daily story time with Ms. Pratt, where I'm going to post a video of me reading at least a chapter of the first Harry Potter book, Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, on Google Classroom every single day, starting mañana. That's right. Saturday morning, wakey wakey, eggs and bakey. It's time to read Miss Pratt, to read Harry Potter with Miss Pratt. So again, you know, just another option for you. I'm not gonna be doing anything better, so I might as well read Harry Potter, and I'll try to get through all of it. I probably won't, but it'll be fun. Okay, I'm done talking. I will see you all at noon on Zoom. Hit the link. Remember the password. Have a wonderful weekend. Have a great spring break, and I will see you all upon return the following Monday for Unit 3 related assignments. Goodbye.